Hello and welcome to this video on how to turn your image to a 3D model on SwiftXR. Start by creating new project. Let's name this image to 3D. Let's create an augmented reality project. Now you see it right here, convert image to 3D. Click up here, create 3D from image. And this takes you to your device where you can select an image that you want to turn to the 3D model. We have our image, just name this Sean chair and generate. Now we have our image turned into 3D. Let's just click that. Download. And here you have it, as simple as that. I hope this was helpful and I'll see you in the next video.